Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty, and I have another fun recipe for you to try on your Blackstone air fryer. These are Italian long hot stuffed peppers. These peppers are going to get stuffed with a mixture of Italian mild sausage, an egg, some fresh grated garlic, some breadcrumbs. I'm using Italian blend panko, some shredded Italian blend cheese or mozzarella, and then a big heaping scoop of freshly grated Parmesan or Pecorino Romano cheese. Add some fresh chopped flat leaf parsley and mix all of that together, and there is our mixture for what we're going to stuff our peppers with. If you have a hard time mixing it, get in it with your hands and mix it together like you do meatballs. I always feel like if you add your hands to the meat mixture, it really does, like meatballs, make it just that much better. You're cooking with love, the love from your hands. We're just going to set that meat mixture aside, and then we're going to take our long hots and we're going to cut out a cavity to where we're going to fill our peppers. So try to figure out where your pepper, lay it flat on the table, which way it lays best, because that's how it's going to lay in your air fryer. And then the top side of that, cut a cavity out. So if you want to remove the seeds, get as many out as you can, because that's where your heat is at. Once all your seeds are out and your peppers are ready to stuff, start stuffing them. We're going to take a little bit of our meat mixture and just stuff it in and down as far into those peppers as you can. Stuff them. Once your peppers are ready and stuffed and ready to cook in that air fryer, we're just going to quickly brush them with a little bit of avocado oil. This is going to help the pepper skin blister. I have my air fryer set to medium heat, and I'm just going to add as many peppers as I can fit into the drawer. Shut them. Check them every 5 minutes just until they are cooked through and my peppers are just tender. These peppers are so good. They are definitely a family favorite with my family. A lot of our Italian delis sell them like this, cold. You can reheat them. You can eat them alongside your dippy eggs. You can eat them with your steak at dinner. They really pair up well with a hoagie for lunch. You could eat these any time of day, 2 o'clock in the morning, or whenever you want. A spicy stuffed long hot pepper. They're ready to go. Stick them in your fridge, make a batch, and eat them throughout the week. They're so good. You're going to love them, you're going to try them, you're going to make them and enjoy them and post them and tag me Blackstone Betty, because I want to see who's eating these besides me and my family. Be sure to check us out at blackstoneproducts.com for more recipes. I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video. Get deep down in that with your hands. Ooh, that sounded really dirty. Mix all of that together, and that is what we're going to mix our hold on a second, I can't say that.